Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video on this very unique spice, cinnamon, okay? Not only does it taste great and you can put it on so many different things, but it's a very powerful spice. It actually has the power to potentiate insulin, which means make insulin less resistive, okay? So if you're talking about helping someone with a pre-diabetic situation or insulin resistance, this can greatly improve it. I'll put some links down below of several studies, but it's also really good just to lower your blood sugars. Of course, if you're actually helping this, you're going to automatically lower the blood sugars. Because so many people have a blood sugar problem, whether there's hypoglycemia, prediabetes, insulin resistance, this is a really good spice to start including in your diet. It has one of the highest ORAC values, which is the highest antioxidant values. So there's some research done to evaluate the phytonutrients in 20 spices, and of course, cinnamon was the winner. So there's two types of cinnamon. Ceylon, which is called the true cinnamon, which is hard to find, it's not as common, and then cassia, which is more common, it's less expensive, it's more readily available. And honestly, these two work almost identical as far as what you're trying to achieve here, so I would go for the least expensive one right here. All right? So you definitely want to start adding cinnamon to your diet in different recipes. So I put some links down below to give you some ideas. All right, thanks for watching. Hey, if you haven't already subscribed, press the button below and I will keep you in the know. Hey, that rhymes.